Everybody, welcome back to Sticks and Stones. Today I found this piece of, it's pretty much rotten punky wood, but it's a pretty big piece, so I'm just going to fast forward through this. I don't even know if I can get any thing out of it. It's pretty rotten in spots, and I'm just going to kind of work with the wood, see what I can get. Some of this might be pretty good. I might be able to pull off a carving on it. If not, I just hate to waste a piece like this. This was hit by lightning or something, and I saved it a couple of years ago. It's been laying around in the pile, but now it's pretty much past its prime. I thought it was kind of neat because it had some scorch marks on it and stuff, and it's pretty big. So I don't know if I can pull off a wood spirit on this or not, because it's awful soft in spots. And oh man, up here especially, yeah. I don't know what kind of eyes I'm going to be able to get in this. I might just poke 2 holes in it and call it done. But if I can make it look like anything, you know, hopefully I can sell it when I take all the stuff to the market in the spring. So we're going to just fast forward through it. It's not really a teaching video. I'm just going to kind of experiment. What I am using is a Dremel 4000 and my saber tooth bit, and that's all I'm going to use in this video. And I'm going to see if I can pull off a half decent wood spirit anyway, something that at least if I put it out by the table and it's, you know, 3 foot or bigger, you know, I'll lean it up against the table and see if I can get it to look like something, so it'll attract attention and somebody might pick it up, and I'll just sell it cheap and get rid of it. But it beats letting the wood go to waste, so that's pretty much what I'm going for here. I really don't think I'm going to be able to get eyes in this guy. Maybe if I put enough shadow in it around the forehead and the sides of the face, so might be able to just give it slits or something for eyes and make them look like something. And let's not forget, we can always sand and stuff. But over on the corner there to the right, it just kind of breaks apart. So you'll see me stop over there on the corner to the right hand side with that other pieces coming up, and pretty much gonna have to carve mostly to the left as far as where the beard is, and right down the center. So let's see here. Yeah, it's I already got some bad spots. If I can zoom in on this, you'll be able to see. Hold on. Right in here, yeah, you see that? That's all broken out and it's all rotten in there. So eyes are gonna be a we'll see. So, but that's something to quick carve and see if I can get anything out of it. Like I said, I hate to waste a piece of wood. It's a neat looking piece of wood. It's just way too soft. Right over there on the right, that's just gonna break. See, that's just breaking right off. And then it kind of stops there. I could carve the other piece to the right, which I might do after this video and see if I can get anything out of it. But, it's a video, it's some footage. Don't mind my hairy neck in the way there now and then. I'm stepping in front of the camera because I'm really not planning on making this a great video. I'm just kind of working today and seeing if I can not waste this piece of wood. And I figured I'd just film it and show you guys that you don't always have to have a great wood spirit. It doesn't always have to be the best piece of wood. You can still salvage little scrap pieces like this and make something out of it. Somebody will want it. You know, it won't be the best piece, that's for sure. But we'll do another video after this, and I plan on making a nice wizard out of another piece of that western red cedar that I have laying around out here. And we'll see what we can do on that next. So it's going to be back-to-back videos because I'm making them both in the same day. Actually, this is my 3rd wood spirit today, and I didn't film any of the others. So I got the camera out, and I figured, well, I might as well make a couple YouTube videos also. So yeah, these eyes, that's all rotten. Now look at that. I'm just going to have to poke holes and just see if I can come up with some kind of goofy kind of eye, at least so he has eyes. But that's all I'm going to do. I'm not really going to mess around too much. I got no wood in there. Look at it, it's just all broken out. So I don't really expect him to be too nice. But I'm not spending a lot of time on him either. I mean, I am fast forwarding this, but honestly, it didn't take me, it was under an hour doing this guy, and he's pretty big. I mean, here I am 5 minutes into the video, and it's like, I think it's 2 times the speed. Maybe 3 times the speed, but it's only 5 minutes into the video, and he's almost done, you know. So, I'm not really going to be able to get too much more out of this guy. I'm going to put some beard hair down here and just clean him up. But you can see, you can go pretty fast. It doesn't really take much when you're outside with the Dremel. It's really windy out here today. But I am liking being outside again, because I'm dying to get the chainsaw going and see what kind of projects we can come up for springtime. You know, maybe we'll do a couple of bears and some, you know, garden and lawn stuff. I really am not going to be able to do much with these eyes. So don't judge the carving, guys. Again, this is just to get some footage on and show you what I'm up to. And we'll do a video right after this, and we'll try and make a little nicer wood spirit. But this is laying around, and might as well get her done. Now I'll sand it down and I'll spray it, and hopefully, you know, it'll look like something. So that's about it for this guy. I can't even really put beard hair on the other side, so we're just gonna have to see what we can do, and he's gonna be what he ends up, you know. He is what he is. That's about it. It's a bad piece of wood, but we got a wood spirit out of it.